Jagoro mongirore migao mar arita Dr. Omollo okoni sirikal oketo kenge mag neno ni Jo-Kenya manie piny Tanzania obedo kod arita makare e kinde ma luoro pod nitiere e pinyno kaluwore kod duoko mar yiero manobedo e juma mokalo. Ka isidhe ayanga kaka jambetre mar jo-scout e pacho ka e nyasi mane obagi Rowland Camp e boma ma Nairobi, Omollo nolero ni migao mar arita kod mochung' ne tudruok pinje maoko tudore machiegni gi mbetre mar Kenya e piny Tanzania mar neno ni Jo-Kenya modak e pinyno omi arita. Osingo ni gidhi tudore kod familia mar John Ogutu, japuonj manochiel gi magina e piny Tanzania e kinde ng'anyo mar neno ni ratiro oyudore.
Any cause for alarm or any reason for any Kenyan in Tanzania or anywhere else to worry about their safety. What we continue to encourage everybody, like we do in this country, is that all of us, the countries, have our rule of law, and there is a respect for rule of law. Let's, whatever it is, if there are any issues, we confine ourselves to what the law allows us to do. In that way, there is no reason for anyone to be worried about anything. Yes, I know there's an unfortunate case of one Kenyan who is a teacher who, in the process of all that commotion, lost his life. I have been in touch with my colleague in charge of foreign affairs, and there's already the contact that has been created with the embassy in Dar es Salaam. So what I would urge the family is that we are doing what it takes to be able to make the necessary arrangements for making sure that that particular case is handled in a manner that is respectful. And we will be reaching out to the family, and as I've indicated, we have our Ministry of Foreign Affairs that has that responsibility. So it's just to give them the assurance that we are working on it to be able to sort or resolve the issue.